Hello everybody, this is Zerika Selexero. So today I want to show you how to fix deactivated SIM card. You can see from here, this is an old version phone, so it is SIM card was already deactivated, but the SIM card was deactivated by a technical issue. So the question is how to fix when we face it in such kind of problems. You can see your SIM card is deactivated, so how to solve it. So to do that, the first step is you have to go to your setting in button phone setting. So go to setting. So one is you go to setting, you have to come down number 2, phone setting, and under phone setting there is different options: power on, auto power on and off, power saving mode, factory setting mode. So you can fix by factory setting mode, first one. So the factory setting mode, most of the time it asks the factory activation code. You can see from here it needs password. If you don't know the password, you have to do is come back and click on setting, then you have to here call setting. So one is we see here call setting, multi SIM, call divert, call waiting, call bearing, and hide ID. So from those all lists, you have to come to the multi SIM. So click on multi SIM, and under multi SIM there is standby, replay by origin, and set SIM name. So you can click on this standby mode. So click on standby mode. You can see SIM 1, the checkbox was not checked on. So you can see from here the checkbox is white. So but the SIM 2, no SIM card was already activated. SIM 3 is already activated, but flight mode is open here. So you can check here. The first one is whether your line was under a flight mode, and the second one is at the top. You can check the SIM card 1 activation. So for this case, this phone was already deactivated because of, you can see from here, this SIM 1 deactivating. The selection box in front of SIM 1 must be checked. If it doesn't check in such a way, you never receive and give a call to outside call or inside call to some anywhere. So for that case, you have to do is you have to click in here and activate the deactivation line. So once you click, it's searching for network. So it may take now a few seconds. So after searching for a few seconds, it inserts the telecommunication name, or I don't know where is your country. So for my case, this I am in Ethiopia, so Ethio Telecom was the public network. So now Ethio Telecom was already displayed, and I'll come back. Here previously it says like deactivated, SIM 1 is deactivated. Now as you can see from here, somewhere blurred. So Ethio Tel, SIM card 1 is Ethio Tel, and the network was already filled. So this is it. If you have any problem, whenever you face it with such kind of problem in button phones, you can follow this step and you can fix the network activation deactivation problem. So let me summarize. Click on that, click on your phone, and then come to the setting. Once you come to the setting, you have to click on call setting, and call setting you have to click on multi-SIM. Once you click on multi-SIM, then standby mode, and always make sure on that. This is the message what I received. So click on here, come back, and you can check this one, the SIM card 1 or SIM card 2. The checkbox in front of that must be checked. If it is not checked, you can recheck and you mark this line in front of the network. So this is it. If you are new for my channel, I'm asking you to subscribe my channel and share the video for anyone. God bless you. I'll come back with another technology tips like that. Bye bye. God bless you.